knowledge that you guys are giving us. It's key. It's key to running a successful business.
We get to share our information with them, teach them about the machine, hopefully help them be more profitable, but also it's an opportunity for us to learn from them, and they get to share information with us for future product development.
Power Curbers Academy has been established to work with machine operators and machine mechanics and anyone else that works closely with a power curber to help enhance their daily activity with the machine.
The other 3 people that we brought with us, one is a mechanic, the other 2 have training to operate the machine. One has about 8 or 9 years experience, and the other has about 8 or 9 months.
A lot of this stuff is questions that you have out in the field that you don't have answers to, so yeah, this is definitely valuable, and I would recommend anybody to come down here.
The majority of Academy is a classroom-based training, but we do get the customers out and get them some experience hands-on. We do tight radius. Customers have an opportunity to get on the machine. We do plant tours so they can get out and see exactly how the machines are built, see the machines in various stages of assembly. We do an electrical lab that allows the customer to take their meters and troubleshoot different components that they're going to have on their machine. We go over sensor placement, trimmer alignment, just a lot of different things about the machine and what you need to do to be successful with it.
Power Curbers Academy is one of our favorite times of the year here at Power Curbers. The time we get with customers that come in and spend time with us, where we get a chance to ask them, how is the machine really performing for you? How do you utilize it each day? How good of a job are we doing of taking care of you?